Hey, it's Wednesday, which means it's our Wednesday exercise of the week. My name is Emmanuel Osaseri, your online personal trainer and wellness coach, and today we're going to go over lunges. So here we go. So from this angle, you're going to start from a standing position, and what you're going to do is you're simply going to come forward on one leg, bend it, and then retract and step back. Now this is a move that requires balance, and so if you don't have the greatest balance, you can do it next to a wall or next to a couch or something that you can hold on to until you're able to develop better balance. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna alternate legs, coming in and stepping back, coming forward and stepping back, coming forward and stepping back. Now from this angle, as you can see, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to bend my knee at about a 90-degree angle, get that back leg as low as I can, and then I'm going to come back up, and then I'm going to go forward with the opposite leg. Now, as a bonus, what you can do is you can do reverse lunges as well. So we're going to start in standing position once again, and instead of going forward with our leg, we're actually going to go back and lead with our back leg down into a lunge, and then we're going to come forward this time. Now, if you can't get your back knee all the way to the ground just yet, don't worry about that. What you want to focus on is bringing that forward leg as far out as you can, bending as comfortably as you can, retracting, and then try to get a little bit lower and lower each time, but make sure that you stay within your own limits. And guys, that's it. You now know how to do this popular and effective leg exercise that you can do at home or just about anywhere. As usual, I had a blast making this video for you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, tap the subscribe button. Good luck on your fitness journey, and let's do this again sometime.